I believe that the voices of science and the community are becoming stronger every day. However, I'm concerned about the policy voices. What I'm seeing across Latin America and the Caribbean is that policy voices are stronger after an extreme event, and then the policymakers later, once it's forgotten, they continue doing things as usual. And this is why coastal resilience is almost like a normal curve. It goes up and down, up and down. And we need to change that. We talk about capacity development for policymakers, but I don't think that we're achieving it yet with respect to coastal resilience. We had Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica last week or the week before. And yes, all of the policymakers in the Caribbean and beyond are talking about the need for improving coastal resilience. However, they seem unable to add their voices to the work that is required to achieve coastal resilience. So, for example, we are struggling with the need to for support to ocean observing, the need for support to ocean data sharing, support to ocean science occurring in the exclusive economic zones of these countries. This is the foundation of coastal resilience, and we're not there yet. In a sense, this is an issue related to the lack of the voices of the policymakers. Again, it's the policymakers who select the negotiators who are negotiating here at COP30. But there is a very strong disconnect between what the negotiators are asking for and what is needed at the national and regional levels for climate resilience. And so, yes, they're asking for funding, and that is always a requirement and it's welcome. But we must go beyond funding. Again, the need for observations, the need for modeling capacity in the regions, the need for more accurate and less biased forecasting. These are all elements that are an absolute requirement for coastal resilience. And we are hearing these things in the side events, but I'm not satisfied that what is being spoken about in the side events is actually making its way into the negotiations. And so, since it's the negotiations that create the global climate agenda, it is imperative that we find an entry point to ensure that these issues that are foundational for coastal resilience find their way into the negotiations.